Welcome back to Stocklabs. We just finished August 2021, so end of the month. We're going to check in on the Stocklabs quant model that the Fly runs. So just as a reminder, all this portfolio does is run its screener with its fundamental parameters in it and make stock selections based on those and swaps them out one time at the first of the month. It's always fully invested aside from, those few moments when the stocks are just shuffling in and out on the first. So we'll get new stocks on September 1st. These are the ones that finished August, or were in there for the whole month of August, and had almost 5% return for the month, which was really good. I think S&P was up about 3% for the month almost. And that brings the year-to-date returns to over 28%, which is also beating all indices. I think, I don't know, offhand, I want to say the general indices are up about 20% for S&P and NASDAQ and stuff, but don't know the exact number off the top of my head. Okay. So P&L wise, what were the top performers? Mime, not exactly sure what this is, but then we have D-Dog, Zscaler, NVIDIA, a lot of tech stuff sprinkled in here. I think the a lot of tech stocks started getting added a couple months ago once their sort of ratings firmed up inside the Stocklabs SAA score rankings. So you can see it's starting to slant more. It's been starting to slant more towards a tech allocation, which has paid off, or at least paid off this month. Almost every stock is up for the month. And let's see, on the second page, yeah, so only 5 stocks down. And Upwork was the only one that really stuck out big to the downside, was down 14%. Twitter down 8% too. But, if you only have one or two stocks like this, then your portfolio is going to do fine usually. Those were more than offset with the things at the top. So 24, 22, 16, 13, 8. Pretty good. So what does that look like for year to date? Portfolio is basically at year to date highs, and definitely highs on a closing basis. So returns by month, the summer was kind of slow. I had the first couple down months, marginally in June and July, but then this big bounce back in August. This was actually the best month since February. So seems like the stock selections are getting dialed in and the returns are picking back up. Trades isn't going to show anything. These are just the open trades from this month. They'll close out tomorrow or on September 1st and get swapped in with new ones. These are closeout trades from July, which we recapped before. So all-time highs for the portfolio. We'll see the new stuff that gets put in there on tomorrow. I'm going to guess that it's going to have a similar composition. Probably a handful of names will swap out, but I think it'll look, the general feel of it will be more or less the same. But we'll see. So anyone that follows along inside Stocklabs, then just look out for the new allocation getting put out in the morning, usually by, late morning to early afternoon is when Fly usually gets around to being able to make the changes and everything. So stay tuned, and if you follow along, then make the same changes yourself, and you'll be good to go for September. So good month, good bounce back month, and Hopefully, Fly keeps it up. All right. See everybody later.